Maine relies way too much on the property tax, particularly for a poor state. In 2010, and Ralph the Wizard ran these numbers for me this morning. In 2010, between the state income tax, personal and corporate, the state sales tax, and all property taxes collected in all 500 municipalities, the total amount of money taken in was about $4.4 billion.
Okay.
Okay? $2 billion of that was property taxes, and the $2.4 billion was sales and income taxes. So that means that of that total pie that either pays for state services and or local services, 46% was property tax, 20% was sales tax, and about 34% was income tax.
Oh.
Once this budget goes into place, as proposed, gets even worse.
Yeah, yeah.
48% of all of those revenues come from the property tax, about 20% from the sales tax, and about 31% from income tax.
Yep.
It ought to be reversed.